Hi, come on in. We'll give you an update on what's happening inside the shed, our new shed home. Come on in. We have we're just getting moved in. We have our kitchen complete. We are still in the process of moving, so apologies for any mess, but that's part of this. So come on in. We got our kitchen finished. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. We got the Home Depot cabinetry, soft close. We got the Bianco Calcutta quartz, also from Home Depot. We did it as carried it up into the backsplash. I'm loving this as well. A couple things I wanted to show you. Well, let's not forget to mention the cafe appliances with the matte white and bronze pulls and the knobs and such. I love this one because, you know, a lot of times we do pizzas and chicken nuggets and that kind of thing, so we have the option, especially with our solar, we don't have to use a full-size oven. I can use a little miniature oven, and then for those days when we do have more to cook, down here with microwave, we can actually do air fry. We can actually bake in this microwave. Love that too, because it did take a while for us to get our stove hooked up, so that came in handy. Dishwasher, super quiet. I'm obsessed with these appliances. I love them. The fridge, we have water filler here, and then nice huge fridge. This is a huge step up from our fridge, our refrigerator that's in our camper. This drawer that you can kind of do either refrigerator or freezer, and then deep freezer. We don't have a kitchen table yet, so bear with me there. We also have the beverage fridge. So this was another thing that I felt like was helpful with our solar. You know, we're in and out of the fridge constantly getting drinks, so this was a way that we're not having to open up the full refrigerator, and we can, get drinks and stuff right there. Again, we're moving in, so ignore the mess. A couple of things that I wanted to point out so personally, I'm obsessed with purple. I love purple. We got the Sherwin-Williams Daydream purple on the wall. It's kind of more of a, I'd say, a lavender, so like a little more bluish purple than anything. And I got some accessories for the kitchen to match it. I'm pretty excited about it. This is Mother's Day present. Purple Mother's Day flowers. Thanks, family. Let me grab a little knife here. So I'm pretty excited. I searched, the reason I'm doing this, I searched online to see a true color of a true in-person video of this color, because I wanted to make sure it matched the kitchen, and I couldn't find anything. So, as you know, a lot of times the pictures they display, you don't ever know if they're gonna be the same color. And a lot of times the videos will show you more of the true colors. I could not find, this is a KitchenAid 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. And our last one, we loved it, we used it all the time. So this one, I'm pretty excited to see if the color is truly going to match. What I like about this one too, so tons of accessories that you can use. We have right here, I'm pretty excited about this. So once we start doing some butchering, we'll have a meat grinder, we have a, let me see if you can see this, a shaved ice snow cone attachment there. We'll probably use that almost every day of the summer. Ooh, also another thing I like about this is a new item I didn't have with our last mixer. So this is to protect it when you're pouring stuff in, it stays in there, it doesn't splatter back out. And it looks like it is the exact color I was hoping for. Chris, I'm gonna need your help to get this out of the box. It's super heavy, and that's actually a great feature because it doesn't slide around on the counter when you're mixing with it. Thanks, muscles. You get a couple of attachment accessories with it too. And there's tons of accessories that you can buy. I'll show you here. All of these accessories. You can make pasta. We've actually done that and made homemade pasta quite often with our previous one. So I already have the pasta attachment accessory. It is in storage somewhere. We haven't fully unpacked all of our storage stuff. Hey bud, what's up? I'm just doing a quick video. I'll be there in just a minute, okay? So also to go with this, and I'm so excited because it's the exact color I was hoping for. So this is the splatter guard. I'm pretty excited to get to use that because that always was kind of a bit of a challenge when we were doing our stuff. I got some accessories. We got pot holders out of that perfect lavender, grayish, bluish, purple color. I got some mixing bowls or prep bowls. A little set of 4 prep bowls. Kitchen shears, can opener, some full oven mitts here. So I did, we used to have this type of pan. Someone that wasn't very savvy to how to handle this type of cookware is ceramic, and it is eco-friendly. It's from a company called Appliance, and I bought it, but it wasn't quite the right purple. So then I found this company called Goodful. So I got another pan, and it is going to be probably just spot on to match this lavender cream from KitchenAid. Yeah, we use these pans quite often. One of the biggest things I like about these is they don't use any heavy metals, so you're not going to have to worry about cadmium or lead leaching into your food. Let's see how this looks. I can't get this out. Oh yes, that is just the right color. And so this company's called Goodful. Well, I do love my Our Place pan. This one just matched better. And so basically this is a non-stick all-in-one pan, has a cast iron lid, and it's eco-friendly. So it has PFOA free, so you don't have to worry about any kind of chemicals leaching into your food, and again, any heavy metals. And again, just the right color. So I actually had already opened this pot yesterday I think I got it in. And we used this for popcorn last night actually. But I got these little set of, from Our Place, little pot holders, because that's the only downside of these. I love cooking with them. However, all these little handles will get super hot, so you kind of have to watch for that. But that is pretty much everything, and thanks for checking us out on Mother's Day. I wish all you moms happy Mother's Day as well. And we'll give you another update on what's happening out here on the homestead. Chris has been doing some things outside, and once he has some of that wrapped up, we have lots of plants out there. So we'll be doing another video here soon to show get caught up on some of the stuff that's happening outside. Have a great day.